Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So the kids and I thought we would do a little bit of a vlog with you guys. We're trying to find the best light because it's light crazy. We thought we'd try a little bit of vlogging to see how we liked it or how we could keep up with it. So we're going to try to do a few short vlogs. It is Monday. Oh, April 15th, tax day. Get your taxes in. And I'm just getting home from work. And we are looking like there's going to be some major changes in our home. My mom is getting discharged from the hospital on Thursday this week, and we're looking to transition her into rehab for a few weeks and then transition her to here with us. So we are having to make some major changes in throughout the house. Today, one of the things Alanah had to do was clean in her room and get some things out. So we're getting ready to make a Goodwill run. So I'll take you through. Look at the boys. Look at the boys. They raggedy. So we're in Alanah's room, and this is the state of her room. So we made her take her sheets off the bed. We're washing sheets. We're actually going to change this bed skirt since we're already in here. And then I see some dirt on those baseboards, so we're going to actually need to get a thing. We got a whole pile of Goodwill things that are going, some trash, a couple things that we are going to be giving away. And somebody, I'm not naming names, just went under the bed. This has become her favorite place to live, is under Alanah's bed, and Alanah does not like. Is she under there?
Oh, look at you, silly.
Oh, now you want to come out?
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Ma'am. Oh, ouch. Oh, oops.
Say hi, friends. Say hi, friends. Friends.
No.
Acro.
No.
Acro. Acro.
Are you paying attention, dude?
Let's be friends. Acro.
Look. It's right
Acro.
there. Right there.
Hey, buddy. Just all on me. Just all on me. I can't even move. Lord have mercy. You lick yourself. Don't lick me. Anywho, I'm on this floor trying to get ma'am out from under the bed. She's not here for it. She went back under the bed. But we're going to make a quick, I have to run to Walmart really quick. I have a guy coming over to do some looking around the house for me. So we are going to then come back into Alanah's room and do a little bit. This was not my plan for the day. But I've got to get this room in order because we don't know where my mom is going to have to be. And so I've got to make some necessary changes. So the kids and I will be doing some things. But we're going to run over to Walmart really fast. And we will see you in a little bit. Alrighty, you guys. So we got some ground beef. We got 3 pounds of ground beef. And I saw Mrs. Erica. I've seen other people. I think Kimmy from She's in Her Apron do this as well. I am a put it in the pack and just stuff it in the freezer kind of person. It doesn't matter to me whether it's flat or not. But this saves room in your freezer. So what we did was I measured them out 1 pound a piece. And then we put them in these Ziploc bags. And then we rolled them flat using a rolling pin. And so now I can put this in the freezer and it won't take up as much space as those bowls of ground beef that I normally would put in here. And so that can fit right there in the freezer. And it will freeze just fine for us to use this week. So that's a tip for anybody needing a ground beef tip. All right, let's move all those books and chairs. Move the whole, I want the whole dresser moved. This has to move over there. Jackson, come move that. Put that back, please. That whole dresser needs to move.
My sign. I want it hung up on the wall over my bed.
Cool.
Yeah, if somebody would hang it up there. Not funny, Jackson. That's your calling. Because I obviously have the most fine job in the entire world. Woohoo! I don't see what girls see in perfume. I feel bad that I never even wear it, and I have all these pretty perfumes. I got Ninja Camp. I got a poster from Ninja Camp. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ninja, ninja, ninja camp. Ninja, ninja, ninja camp. Well, there's also a button. Not useful. Ninja, ninja, ninja camp. They call me.
What are you talking about?
Well, I know it's cleaned off. Look at the dude. Okay. Mom said get rid of bear clips.
By half. I'm coming. I'm on my way.
What if you don't want to downsize by half? I've had great memories. And it's not just the memories. Who knows if I'll ever wear them again? Probably won't, because they're not like my style and everything, but... I might need it. Not that one. Okay, these are all the camis. And Mom was gonna these are the fruit ones! This is pineapple. These are lemons. This is keep cool with the pineapples. Watermelon. Ooh! Apples. Strawberry. Apples. I don't know actually what they are. Okay. That means I have an entire Claire's drawer. Time to get organizing. Okay, those will be headbands. These will be bows. Gloves. Definitely over here in the corner. More headbands right here.
Alanah, I'll be back as soon as I get the biscuits going.
Okay. This is another cute one. I like this one right here. It's another cute headband. It's really cute. You can even use it as like a bow. See, you can double tie like that. It's the awesome. I'm gonna wear that when I become a black belt. Maybe my head will shrink. I wore this when I was a blue belt. These are my fake glasses. Trying to be melodramatic sometimes. Look at all these lip glosses. Woo woo. Woo woo. I should put those somewhere else. What do I do about the earrings then? These are my special Claire's earrings. And this is the Claire's lip gloss. Why just my earrings right here?
Look at them. Look at them. Everybody chomping. The dog's chomping. The kids chomping. Everybody chomping. Ain't you? So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having Nashville hot chicken wingettes and loaded broccoli and cauliflower.
And here's the finishing touch. I cleaned off my desk. It needed to be cleaned off really badly. I did a little bit of light dusting. I kind of cleaned up right over here on this dresser, and we kind of put the mirror and my Ninja Cam posters here. Over here in the corner, we just kind of move this aside. We put the My Life loft bed and the suitcase, and they got some hair stuff in there too in the suitcase. Here are the girls. Say hey, girls. They said hey. Curtains are down because it's nighttime, and we put the new bed skirt on. The sheets are still in the dryer right now, so we'll put those on once they're dry. And we did some light dusting, and we vacuumed under here as well. Yeah, we vacuumed the entire floor. And that's the end.
Alright friends, so I'm working on videos. I just got home. I'm working on a video and watching Downton Abbey for the 17th, 900,000th time. And I gave the kids some jobs. Alanah's working in the kitchen doing something, and I told Jackson, I have a new lamp. I said, put the lamp together. And short people have to make allowances for their shortness. So Jackson got on a chair, and he is working it all the way out. I didn't give any instructions other than put the lamp together. So that we can, I have some curtains I want to change out. And we're going to just do a quick dusting in the living room. It is the next day, by the way. I did not close out the vlog from last night, so I just thought I'd add in what we were doing today. I have kind of been in the mood for a little bit of bulletproof coffee. I haven't had bulletproof coffee in quite a while. And I was just watching Michelle from My Own Identity talk about her bulletproof coffee. And I was like, yes, friends, yes. So let me, and then Alanah just made this for me while I'm working on my video, and then I'm going to finish out dinner, and it's going to be all good. We do have band practice tonight, so we'll go sing, and then we'll come home and do it all over tomorrow. Alright friends, so the kids and I have been working. I actually finished up dinner, and I actually changed out my chairs. Let me know what you think. I love these chairs. A friend of mine gifted these chairs to us. That table we found at Goodwill, we got that at Goodwill. I got this at Goodwill. And then in Shamika's car, when we were at the hospital with my mom a couple weeks ago, she had these yellow curtains. And when I just opened them now, I realized that they were short curtains. So I actually just put them in the middle. And what I'm thinking is, since I don't have my blinds up yet, that if I don't want anybody looking into the house, I can actually let out the tie, take the flower down, and it'll cover up, because they're like the thick blackout curtains, even though they're yellow. So it's going to help us for a little bit of time, and it doesn't matter that they're short, because for the most part they're going to stay tied. So that looked really good. The kids are helping to get some things squared away here, because we are on our way out to band practice. We do have to get the floor vacuumed really quick, but this is just a once over of what the living room looks like. I'm going to actually be restuffing these pillows, because I think I can. I'm going to get some of that stuffing from Walmart and try to restuff these pillows so that it can bring that couch back up a little bit. But anywho, that's what I'm going to be doing for there. The kids and I are just straightening up. We're getting all of our love, and we're scratching in the kitchen because that's what people do. But we're heading out to band practice, and we just thought we would show you that little bit of progress. Again, I don't do a lot of
home tours for the seasons, because I don't do seasons. I just do whatever I like when I like it. So there it is, and we're moving right along. Alrighty, you guys, so the kids and I are home from band practice, and I have eaten a piece of that pork chop. With that, I made a velvet pork chops, and let me just tell you, Father friends, and I made some, what did I make?
Cabbage.
Fried cabbage. Oh, and I've made fried cabbage before, but that had to be the best fried. Either it's the best fried cabbage I've ever made, or I'm extremely hungry. Who knows? Jury's still out on either one of those, but I thought it was very, very tasty, very lovely. So we were at band practice tonight, and one of the ladies I sing with, she actually made us a casserole, and that is so lovely of her. And she says, Shakema, I know sometimes you don't eat because on Tuesdays I don't have time. I leave my house at 7 in the morning, and I normally don't get home till 9 at night. And I've only had, whatever I was managed to take in my car for breakfast, and then, whatever I'm having for lunch. And so it was very lovely of her to bring us that casserole, and I really do appreciate it. So the kids are probably going to have that. We'll have that tomorrow. That way I won't have to cook a meal, even though I cooked enough tonight that I'm praying will be enough for lunches. So tonight for dinner, tomorrow for lunch, and then the casserole we'll have for dinner, and that way I don't have to cook, which is helpful for me. Trandon has gone back home to his house because he has a appointment for his leg, to get his leg checked out, to see, because he's 2 weeks out from his surgery, to see how he is doing. And then he will be back because I'm leaving on Thursday again to go and be with my mom, and trying to get her set up in the rehab, because she's going to rehab for about 20 days, and then she will transition out of the rehab. So just a lot of things coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'm just trying to gear up for the last little bit of school year, and just do all the things that I need to do. So very important meeting. My co-partner and I actually had to go to a meeting this afternoon, and it was a very good meeting. We had not originally planned. We didn't know we had to be at it. We just got an email the other day, and she and I met, and we talked over some things presented in front of the board. So it was a curriculum meeting, and it was really good. So thankful to be able to do that. But I'm so tired. So what I'm going to do is close the vlog here. We are going to give this vlogging thing a try and see how we do. We might get a couple vlogs up a week. I can't promise how many because I just don't know. So I'll still do dedicated videos and different things like that. But we are going to try to do some vlogging and see how that goes for the summer months at least. Anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by. We hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.